This is a SnapEd New York video presentation.
Hi, I'm Liz.
And my name is Mallory. Welcome to our SnapEd Kitchen. We are nutritionists with the SnapEd New York program. Part of our job is helping people make healthy foods that taste great and don't cost too much.
So Mallory, what are we making today?
Today we are going to be making strawberry s'mores.
That sounds great.
They are delicious.
To make a single serving of the sweet treat, you will need 2 strawberries, 1 graham cracker sheet, and 2 tablespoons of fat-free vanilla Greek-style yogurt. Utensils needed: measuring spoons, paring knife, cutting board, and optional wax paper and aluminum foil. Before we get started, we always wash our hands for 20 seconds, making sure your counters, utensils, and cutting boards are clean too. Be sure to wash the strawberries under cool running water. You can even lightly scrub them with a veggie brush to remove any additional dirt. First step, Mallory is cutting her strawberries using the claw grip. The claw grip helps protect her fingertips. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C and fiber. They help your body stay healthy by giving it what it needs to help heal cuts and scrapes, as well as keep your belly happy with lots of fiber.
Next, Liz is going to be breaking the graham crackers in half to prepare for the s'mores. Let's take a look at my plate. This recipe uses strawberries from the fruit food group, yogurt from the dairy food group, and graham crackers from the grain group. This recipe helps us get 3 of the 5 food groups, including whole fruits.
That's great information, Mallory. Thank you.
Next, Liz is spreading the yogurt on the cracker. If you don't consume dairy foods like me, you can use a plant-based yogurt such as soy or coconut-based yogurt. Last, top your s'more with fresh strawberries. Strawberries are in season and cost less in July and August. You can also make this recipe year-round by substituting thawed frozen strawberries in place of fresh.
Focusing on eating whole fruits, which can increase the consumption of fiber and potassium. These are important nutrients that many Americans do not get enough of in their everyday diet. You can also try freezing your s'more for about 4 hours or until firm for a frosty version of the sweet treat. We've already gone ahead and frozen a few. Fresh or frozen, you cannot go wrong with this summer snack. To freeze, we wrapped our strawberry s'more in wax paper and foil, then put them in the freezer for about 4 hours until firm.
This perfect little treat only has 6 grams of added sugar per serving, and it will help you make half of your fruits whole fruits.
You know what? You can use whatever fruits you have on hand: bananas, berries, and even kiwi.
I'm so excited to try this.
This is my favorite part.
Messy but delicious. This recipe cost me about $4 for all of the ingredients, and I have plenty of leftover graham crackers and strawberries.
A great way to use up any of your leftover strawberries is in a tasty salad. Check out snapednewyork.org for more recipes.
And be sure to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube pages as well for more wonderful resources and to help you save time, save money, and to eat healthy.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you for joining us today. We know the healthy choice isn't always the easiest choice, but small changes can make a big difference. Start today by getting involved with SnapEd New York. This program is free for those who qualify or receive SNAP benefits. We want to help you save time, save money, and eat healthy. Learn how SnapEd can make a difference in your life. For more information and to find your local program, visit snapedny.org. This material was funded by USDA's Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. SNAP. This institution is an equal opportunity provider.